Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. The next animal is a lioness. This is a lioness. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger. The next animal is a crown tiger. This is a tiger. The next animal is the next one is African tiger. This is African tiger. This is another tiger. The next animal is a hippo. This is hippopotamus. The next one is a rhino. This is a rhino. A rhino. The next animal is a leopard. This is a leopard. The next one is a leopard. This is another leopard. This is African leopard. The next one is elephant. This is a great elephant. The next animal is a horse. This is a horse. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next animal is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is the next animal is a dog. This is a dog. The next one is gorilla. This is gorilla. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. A deer. The next one is a donkey. This is a donkey. The next one is giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe.